So mga ka-corner, nandito pa rin tayo sa Hamptons. And I'm gonna show you the houses here. This part of the area, this is the new area. Well, it's been standing for the last 5 years then. Pero this is how it looks like. Right now it's 9:15 in the evening. Pero very quiet pa rin. Pero hindi to neighborhood ko. This is just another neighborhood here in the Hamptons. No, Bella, come this way lang ako. So, malalaki ang mga bahay din dito sa area na to. Just don't wanna be too loud. So, kami ni Bella, pag nag-stroll kami sa hapon, we usually go to neighborhood by neighborhood. So, dito kami. Sometimes we go this path here. Dito sa path na yan. Pero kasi ngayon gabi na, so we decided not to. See, malalaki ang mga bahay dito, mostly like triple garage in this area. Oh, lumabas na yung moon. Come on, Bella. Let's go. Si Bella napapagod na. Yan, pagod na siya maglakad. Pinapagod ko to sometimes is because she needs to lose weight, and then second, para masarap ang tulog niya sa gabi. Otherwise, when she knows that I'm not working, she always bother me. Yan. Maganda dito sa amin, very quiet. Tsaka very nice ang neighborhood talaga. So dito sa area na to, this is the Hardy Point. Dito sa Hamptons, mostly mga bahay dito nasa ranges from $500 to $700,000. There. Very simple lang, pero mahal. So, malapit na tayo sa neighborhood namin. Sa neighborhood namin, when my sister and I bought the property way back in 2008 or 2009, the houses at that time was only like around $300,000 to $400,000. But now, in my area, after 18 years, well, actually we're turning 19 years now, ang mga bahay is ranging from 600,000 to 1 million. I'll show you guys. When it comes for Bella, she knows where she lives. So, kahit na bitawan ko tong leash niya, she knows where to go. When she was growing up, tinatry namin na ma-familiarize siya sa area, sa neighborhood. So, just in case kung makawala siya, she knows how to go back. And she's been out of the house couple of times. And I don't have to run after her. She knows how to come back. It's just that sometimes, like lately, some of the dogs in the neighborhood, hindi na nakakabalik and then they go missing. So, yun lang ang kaya as much as possible, I don't want Bella to walk without a leash, without this leash. So, yan. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Edmonton, when you guys decided to live in Edmonton, West is the best place to live. Kaya nga lang, very expensive. This house was a lottery house before, but the people that won this house, they sold it, so it's a new people that owns the property. So this is my neighborhood here. So like I said, the houses here are ranging from 600,000 to 1 million. Depende ang size. Guys, I'm just gonna drop Bella and then I'm gonna show you the neighborhood. So this is our house here. So we've been living in this house for the last 18 years. This house, we built it from the scratch. Like I said before, in this neighborhood, this was used to be all mountains, and the only houses here is that bungalow there and this bungalow here when we were trying to purchase the property way back 18 years ago. So this is our house. As I was saying kanina, I just dropped off Bella. So this is my area here. This is where I have good neighbors, especially my neighbor there. They're very good people. All of my neighbors are good, and so we are blessed that way. There. So my neighbors, this one here is a lawyer. So this is our house for the last 18 years. Yeah, one of our property here in Canada. And we are very proud. We've been here in Canada for the last 32 years. So ito yung mga neighbors ko dito. Hindi na tayo lalayo kasi it's getting dark. So yeah, maganda dito tumira sa West End. Like I said, it's very peaceful, very quiet. And over here, I don't know about other neighborhood, but here, this is our backyard. I don't know about other neighborhood over here where I live, here in Copperwood. We have police cars that patrol the area 24/7, especially when the clock hits midnight. You see some you know, police cars roaming around in this area. So that's one thing, that's one of the best thing that that we have here in Copperwood. That's why sometimes when a beautiful day like this or beautiful night like this, even at 1 o'clock in the morning, sometimes when I can't sleep, Bella and I, we are outside in our deck. Well, I have all the lights on. I have all the solar lights on, and we stay there until sometimes 2 o'clock in the morning, especially in very hot weather. So malalaki ang mga bahay dito sa Copperwood, and ano siya, yung bang maganda ang mga designs. And yeah, I'm just gonna go up to the end there. I don't want to go too far because I'm tired already. Bella and I, we were like walking for almost like more than an hour and a half. But since I just want to finish this vlog, so yeah, I'm gonna do extra half an hour. So right now it's close to 10 in the evening, and look at the moon. See? So yeah, going around here. Kaya kahit na 12:01, lalo na pag during talagang summertime, hindi pa talaga kasi summertime dito right now, pero talagang pag nag-hit ang summer, ano siya, yung banga kahit maglakad ka 1-2 o'clock in the morning, still so beautiful. Although I haven't tried that, but I know, like I can hear it from my window sometimes. You know, people are still walking at that time, and it's nice. But old tradition, Dad used to say, no, you guys can't, you know, walk around at that time, which is, it's nice and peaceful, you know. Like right now, it's very quiet, close to 10 o'clock. So yeah. So anyhow, okay, let's go back. I'm tired. So guys, I hope you like this vlog. If you are not subscribed on this channel yet, please do subscribe. You will see a lot of happening here with me, like the things I do. Yeah. But I really want to focus this channel on planting, all about planting and all about my daily activities. Yeah. So, yun nga, kapag gusto nyo tumira dito sa Edmonton, pick the west side because the west side is always the best place to live. Although, like I said, the condos and apartments are very expensive. But if you're thinking about your safety, then you don't have to worry about anything. Pero if you want a little bit, you know, cheaper places, cheapest place to live, you go to north side or the east side. Living here in Canada for 30 years, I can say that mas maganda pagka alam mong safe ka. Like, even though people say no matter where you are, there's always trouble. No matter where you are, there's always, you know, things that you don't expect to happen. Pero, kung maiiwasan, why not, diba? Especially tayo mga Pilipino, lalo nang may mga anak. Well, wala kaming anak na kapatid ko, but we have Bella. So, yeah. So, kung talagang gusto nyo ng safety, then you live where is. So, you guys live where the safest place. So, yun lang. If you guys want to ask me any questions, especially if you guys are moving here in Canada, I can help you out. I'm gonna turn on all the lights so you guys can see. Yeah, just ask me a question and I will try to vlog it. Syempre, when I do my vlog, I can do it in English. I can do it in English, I can do it in Tagalog, I can do it in Bisaya. I can do, like, you know, different in a different languages. Just those three anyway. So, yeah. So all the lights are on now. It's dark, so very soon the backyard is going to be lit. Yeah. So guys, from Edmonton, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys see you on my next vlog. Again, if you are not subscribed on this channel, please do subscribe. And when you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Comment, like, and share. And signing off. Have a blessed night, everyone. And again, see you guys on my next vlog. Bye for now.